Hi, in this video I'll share with you how to identify the last 7 days from the given date. Now suppose that today is 22nd of July. So what is 7 day before this? The last 7 day from this date. So I have a list of the calendar dates and I want to identify the 7 days. So I just need to refresh this Power Query here, and then I right click refresh the pivot table and it will give me this date. So maybe I say that let's say I want to know the 7th of July. Okay, what is the 7th day from there? So I can just right click on the Power Query and also right click on the this. So that would be the 7th day, okay, together with the June. So you can see that this is a very dynamic ways of identify the last 7 days based on the given date. So how do we do that? Let's begin. Now first I'm going to show you how to create the list of dates of this year. After that, I will show you how to identify that those dates that fall between these 7 dates. So I will go to a new worksheet and I go to the data tab. I choose a blank query. Then I will enter a start date, which is the beginning of the 2020. So that's the date. Then I will click on this button to add a step. And so over here, I call it the list.date. So I have the date, check list.date, dates. Okay, I just come back to the source. So I'm gonna count 365 days and increment by the durations of 1 day and enter. So that's create a list of dates, and I click on this two table, click OK. So that's the date, and I click on this to choose a date, and I can double click on this to just turn it to date. Date. Next, I will now need to go to identified. But before that, I also want to know the given date. But before that, right? Let's say I want to know the a certain date. So I can just go to add column, choose custom column, and right here I'll just type in that the date here, which date is equal to a given date. So let's say is 2020 7 or 22nd. So click OK. So is this date equal to 22nd of July? No. So the one matching it will show the word true. So basically I click on this button, filter, and then click the true. So you can see that this is the date, right? So with that, I go back to my earlier step. Now I identified that that date is 1. Now I want to know which are the dates is between these dates. So I can use this. I want to know last 7 day before this date. What is that? I can use the add date function, add day function under the date M language, add days. So if I want to add 1 day from this date, I can add 1. Positive means forward, negative 7 means backwards. Okay, so well, basically that's the one. Click OK. So I want the 7 day before this date. So now I click on this, click true. So I can see that it's on the 15th. Now this is 22nd, so 7 day back. 22nd, 21, 22nd, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Okay, that's somewhere there, right? So we can adjust that value. So now I want to know those date between the last 7 days, those date that is fall between this date and the 22nd of July. So we're gonna find that. I can go back to my add custom and double click this. So now I will need to check with between the length between this date. So greater or equal to this date and the date is lesser than the given date. So right now the given date is hardcode. So I click OK, and now I go here and choose true. So these are the 7 days. See, if this does not include that today's date, then 21 to 15. That's what we get. So now instead of showing the word true, I want to show a letter of R. To do that, we go back to this step here, change it with if then R, else now. Okay, and we call this last 7 day from this given date. Same, we go search for R, you have this. See, these are the 7 days. So now I'm just delete this and delete this. Go back to home, close and load. Just load it to a page here. So we can scroll this down. We will find the item that is in between that. It will show the word R. See that? Now with that, I can go to summarize with the pivot table. Existing, click this, click OK. So once we created this, we can drag this item date over here and this over here. Then you go to the design tab, choose subtotal, do not show off the rows and columns, remove blank lines. Okay, so let's say I'm only interested in the 7 days. This is what you get, the 7 days. Okay, so that's how we select the last 7 days. Thanks for watching.